how to add a device to Google Find Device. So the first thing you have to know is that iPhone cannot be added to Google's Find Device network. Google Find Device services is designed to locate compatible Android devices and supported accessories, not Apple iPhones. If your goal is to track your iPhone, you simply need to use Apple's Find My instead. So simply open up your settings app, tap on your name, scroll down, tap on Find My, and just click that inside here. You have to simply make sure it is turned on. For best tracking experience, also enable Find My Network and Send Last Location. If you're trying to use the Google Find Device app on your iPhone, you can install the app, sign into your account to view and manage your compatible Android device or supported trackers. However, your iPhone itself cannot be added to Google's Find Device network. That's everything you need to know, guys. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.